Yeah, it's not bad for probably 2 minutes fishing. Nice bassy there, a couple of pound on the 4-inch Rockvibe. Pretty chuffed with that little style. Back to the Rockvibe, it's becoming a bit of a go-to. See if it works. Yeah. One of the things I really like about these Rockvibes is that's a 4-inch lure on there, and it's much thinner than your sort of regular 4-inch lure, and it's only got a tiny little paddle tail, so it's quite a finessey little bait. It doesn't have huge sort of tail kicks when you retrieve it, but because it's that nice sort of thin profile, I think that helps your sort of hookup ratio when rigged on your weedless hook setup as well. There's not a lot of plastic to sort of go through. Fish has got to just touch it, and it good chance of hooking up.
brown bass on a little Big Shallow 105.